Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 12. Get ready for the dictation. Start. The average farmer does not have money to waste, nor can he afford undue risks. He will not experiment on his own unless he is certain that the experiments have succeeded elsewhere. It is because our demonstration programs have been convincing that the cultivators have come forward in such large numbers today to use new varieties of seed and fertilizers. It is not the big farmers alone who has ventured forth. The small farmer's enthusiasm is ever greater. To him, even a little improvement goes a long way. In the new agricultural program, he sees the opportunity to fulfill his numerous small needs which have so long been neglected. It is obvious that farmers will pay heed to the call for national self-sufficiency only to the extent that the programs makes a difference to their lives. How can we expect them to grow more for the nation if their additional efforts do not bring adequate reward to their own families? We talk of inputs, but in scientific agriculture, the most important input of all is the human input. Modern farming is a far cry from spreading the seed and leaving the rest to the sun, rain, and stars. The farmer has now to fight constantly with nature, repairing its shortcomings, exploiting its advantages, and forcing the peace. This calls for greater knowledge and training on the farmer's part. In turn, the administrative agency has to so devise farm information that even the nominally literate farmer can understand and utilize it. Advancement will not endure if it is isolated. Additional effort in any one field must be matched by similar effort in others. Water, seed, fertilizer, pesticide, tools, credit, marketing, and education all form parts of the spectrum of change. Agricultural scientists, by whom I mean not only botanists but also agricultural engineers and economists, have much to contribute to this coordinated agenda of progress. There has been considerable debate on the question whether research in India should spend time finding out anew what has been found elsewhere earlier. While there might be need and justification for buying industrial know-how from abroad, we cannot hand over our agricultural problems to others. A lathe may be bodily brought here from Europe or America, and it will turn out parts of the same shape and specifications. But a plant from elsewhere is unlikely to grow the same way in our soil. Every time a plant is introduced, the scientist has to do considerable adaptive work. He has not only to test its suitability to our soil and climatic conditions, but also to find out how far it is susceptible to pests. Stop.